Well, hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. My name is Alan. In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can clean your oven and your stovetop with a DIY and safe natural cleaner. So if this video is helpful for you, you can let me know that. You can like and subscribe, but let's go ahead and dive in.
So here's a better look at our oven. As you can tell, it is very dirty and so definitely needs to be cleaned. The mix we used is 2 cups of baking soda plus 1 cup of water. You will then mix these two together until it forms a type of paste. After you have mixed them together, then you can add either 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or 10 to 20 drops of essential oils. Then you will mix it again just to make sure all of the juice or essential oils have gotten into the paste. Next, you'll spread the paste cleaner liberally all over the oven. You can use paper towels, a dish rag, or whatever else you might want to use. I do want to say a big shout out to my wife for this idea and to my wife and mother-in-law for shooting this video. Once you have covered the entire oven, you can then turn to your stovetop and do the same thing. Once you have covered the entire oven and stove, you can let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, and after the time is up, you can wipe the paste off, and in this example we used a rough sponge. Well, let me know in the comments if this cleaner worked for you guys as well.
Well, I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. I'd love to know that and even help you out with anything else as well. But you can also check out one of these other videos that are popped up here in your end screen. But I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.